Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this question. So a digit b is multiplied with AAB and this results in CB5B. And we are supposed to determine what is A plus B plus C. It's a pretty tough question which will be solved by hit and trial method. So when b is multiplied with b, then it results in xb. So x can be here any number, it can be 1, 2, 3 or any other digit. So now we will see through hit and trial method that which numbers or which digits fulfill this condition. So when 5 is multiplied with 5, then it results in 25. And same is the case with 6. This condition is fulfilled by only two digits, one is 5 and the other is 6. It means b can be either 5 or it can be 6. So let's see, if b is equal to 5, then what is the result? So in the first step, 5 is multiplied with the 5, it results in 25. So 2 will be carryover. And then when 5 is multiplied with a, then 2 has to be added. So equation will become 5 into a plus 2 and it should be equal to x5. Why 5? Because it appears in the multiplication term. And x can be anything, which will be again carry over to the next number. So this is the condition which should be fulfilled. So this condition is not fulfilled here because when you multiply 5 with any number a, let's suppose it's 2. So when 5 is multiplied with 2, then it results in 10 and 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So 2 is the unit digit, which is not the case here because in our case unit digit should be 5. So next we will try with 6. When 6 is multiplied with 6, it results in 36. So 3 will be carry over. Now if we make the equation again for second step of multiplication, then 6 into a plus 3 should be equal to x5. Now we will check different values of a. For example, if a is 2, a is 3, a is 4, a is 5 and so on. So this condition is satisfied only in two cases. Number 1, when a is equal to 2 and number 2, when a is equal to 7. So a can be either 2 or it can be 7. So let's suppose a is equal to 2. Then equation will become 2 to 6. It has to be multiplied with 6 and the result will be 1356. But in our equation which is given to us, the multiplication results in C656 because C is 6. So our assumption that a is equal to 2 is incorrect. Now we are left with only one choice where a is equal to 7. So our expression will become 776 multiplied with 6, which will result in 4656. So here our condition is satisfied. So b is equal to 6, a is equal to 7 and c is equal to 4. And when we add all of these digits, it becomes 17. So the right answer is 17.